Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I have a fabulous recipe for you, which I personally think is the best vegan lasagna that I've ever tasted in my entire life. This lasagna is not only packed with creaminess and like a nice cheesy flavor, but it also has spinach and butternut squash, which adds a little bit of interest to it, makes it a little bit more exciting, adds more flavor, and also, of course, packs an extra nutritional punch. So not only is this recipe vegan, it's also healthy, which we all love, and it's so cozy, comforting. You can definitely meal prep it, you can freeze it, and it just tastes so good. As always, I have shared this full recipe up on my blog, so you can find that by clicking the link that is right down below in the description box. I'd also love for you to subscribe if you are not yet part of our community. Make sure to tap that red button before you leave. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this awesome lasagna recipe. So we're going to start by making our tofu ricotta, and the first thing you're going to do is add a whole block of firm tofu into a food processor. Once you've got that in there, you can add in your nutritional yeast, a little splash of non-dairy milk, some lemon juice, a touch of olive oil, and your spices are Italian seasoning, sea salt, and garlic powder. And then you'll just pop the lid on your food processor and blend this up until it forms a kind of smooth, it will be thick, ricotta-like texture. So you're going to set that aside and we'll move on to our butternut squash. So for our butternut squash, we actually need some mashed butternut squash. You can either steam some butternut squash that you buy cubed, you could buy butternut squash puree, you could roast some butternut squash and then mash it. It's really up to you. I did the roasting route, so I just roasted it. And once it was done roasting and it was fork tender, I just scooped it out into a bowl and used a potato masher to mash it and just kind of got it as smooth as I could. And then again, we'll set that aside and move on to assembling our lasagna. So the first layer is tomato sauce. You can either make your own, you could buy jarred. This one I actually just blended up some tomatoes and spices. It was really easy. I can make a video on that if you're interested. But you just do a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom and then top that with some lasagna sheets. I find that gluten-free lasagna is better with the ones that you cook ahead of time. So I'm just using some brown rice ones and I'll link them down below for you. And then once you've got your layer there, you can add on your tofu ricotta. So you're going to do some dollops of the ricotta and some dollops of the butternut squash and then just kind of spread them together and kind of get them as evenly as you can spread out on top of the lasagna sheets. Sprinkle that with some steamed spinach. I used bagged spinach that I just thawed and then squeezed out the water. So sprinkle on some spinach, and this layer is optional. Do another little layer of sauce, and then we'll basically just repeat the process. So we're going to do another layer of noodles, another layer of the cheese and the squash, a layer of the spinach, another layer of sauce. And then when you get to the final layer, you're going to not do the squash and spinach. So you're going to layer on your noodles and then you'll do some of the ricotta, spread that out, do some sauce on top, and then we'll just sprinkle it with some shredded vegan cheese. And I find that the meltiest vegan cheese that I can find is the Diet brand. So that's what I used here. And then we'll pop this in the oven and let it cook until the cheese is melted and everything is bubbling and hot. It takes about 40-ish minutes or so. And this is what it looks like when it's done. You're going to let it cool a little bit before you slice into it, but just slice it up into your servings and serve it up. And then here is our gorgeous lasagna. The layers are awesome. Like I said, it has so much amazing flavor. Love, love, love the butternut squash inside. And, you know, I like sneaking greens in whenever possible. So the spinach is just a little addition of extra greens. Again, optional, but delicious. And I swear, once you taste this, you are going to understand why I call this the best vegan lasagna ever, because it is hands down the best I've ever tried. And there you have it, my friends. That is what I personally think is the best vegan lasagna recipe out there. And I hope that you give it a try because I think you are going to agree. All of the different flavors, all the textures, the sweetness from the butternut squash, cheesiness from that tofu ricotta, topped with the vegan cheese. It's just delectable, and it is just perfect for cozying up in the wintertime. And like I said, you can also meal prep it, you can freeze it. You guys are gonna love it, so you have to give it a try. If you do end up making it, I would love to see a photo. You can share something with me on Instagram by tagging @SimplyQuinoa or using #SimplyQuinoa. And don't forget to get the full recipe up on my blog. I've included that down in the description box. There's a link right down there. You can click it. That will take you over to the blog post where you can find the instructions, ingredient lists, and everything like that. Otherwise, I just want to thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet part of our community. I share videos twice a week. It's a mixture of healthy recipes. There's a bunch of vlog style videos. We do healthy lifestyle advice. So there's a ton of different content for you to choose from. And if that's your kind of thing, I would love for you to subscribe. If you did enjoy this recipe, give it a thumbs up. As always, you can ask me questions in the comments. Just drop a comment down below. And I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.